Hello guys.
Got Gumby Jean helping out. We've got May V. How you doing, May V?
Okay.
All right, now there's something going on your back here. Can you tell us a little about when this first started?
It's been there for a while.
Number of years?
Yeah.
And it's drained before too, right?
One at a time.
Yeah, one at a time. It's really big. In fact, it's the size of a goose egg, I would say. Very large, and it's fluctuant. So it feels like there's some fluid in there, so we expect to open it up and get some fluid out. But what's really concerning is you have this red border kind of outlining the whole thing, and that's infection. Now a lot of times these will have fluid in them, but it won't be infection, but yours is infected. So in your case, we can't put stitches in this and close it back up after we open it, okay? So it's very important. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up, drain it, and we're gonna pack it. And we know that there's an underlying cyst that we're gonna have to deal with down the road. But right now, all we're gonna be able to do is drain it for you. Okay, you've got a place to go soon, right?
Yeah.
Where you going?
New England.
New England?
Ooh.
Oh. Well,
Yeah, you can't miss that trip.
I don't want to miss that. Does this hurt when I'm just rubbing this with the betadine?
Not too bad.
Not too bad. A little bit of pain though. I'm sorry about that. We're gonna numb this right up for you.